This delicious one-pan meal features fried tofu cooked in a spicy braising sauce to be served over a bowl of steamed rice or noodles. Enjoy this flavorful Korean tofu side dish in the comfort of your home using this simple recipe. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon cooking oil, 1 package, 1 pound, firm tofu or medium firm, 3 cloves garlic minced, 1/2 onion diced, 2 green onion chopped, divided, 1 chili pepper chopped, optional, half a teaspoon each sesame oil and toasted sesame seeds for garnish. Sauce: 4 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon mirin, half a tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon gochugaru, Korean chili flakes, or crushed red pepper to taste, half a cup water. Instructions: 1. Slice tofu in half, then into 1/4 inch thick pieces and pat dry to remove excess moisture. Lightly season with salt and pepper and set aside. 2. Heat oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Carefully add the tofu pieces and fry both sides until golden brown, for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side. 3. Combine the sauce ingredients in a bowl. Add garlic, onion, white parts of green onion, and chilies if using, and mix to combine. 4. Pour the sauce mixture over the tofu. Reduce the heat to low, cover, and cook for about 5 minutes. Remove the cover and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until the sauce is reduced. 5. Finish with sesame oil, toasted sesame seeds, and reserved green onion and serve with a bowl of rice or noodles. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.